Good morning, students. So, it is our English language class. In our last class, we just read the poem Cradle Song by Sarojini Naidu. So, I am repeating the poem once again. Cradle Song. From groups of spies over fields of rice, authored the lotus stream. I bring for you, glint with dew, a little lovely dream. Sweet, shut your eyes. The wild fireflies dance through the fairy neem. From the poppy bowl, for you I stole a little lovely dream. Dear eyes, good night. In golden light, the stars around you gleam. On you I press with soft caress a little lovely dream. So that was the poem. It was actually a lullaby. And you know, every mother in different countries often sung beautiful lullaby for her child in different languages. But but the main theme of such songs are same everywhere. These are about beautiful, calm and quiet things in the world. Maybe glittering star, silvery moon or fragrant flowers, twittering birds and streams, etc. That's why poets wrote this poem like a nice pleasant dream. Okay, so every mother, when seeing their little child to dream, they thought that they must have the little heart child must have a calm and quiet, pleasant dream and a sound sleep, so that every mother or every parent sang this lullaby. Now we will discuss question answers on it. Okay, please listen it carefully. So firstly, the word meaning. Cradle means baby's rocking bed. Grove, orchard or garden. Authored, across. Glint, glittering. Dew, tiny water droplets from an cool surface at night. Firefly, kind of beetle which glows in the dark. Fairy neem, sacred neem plant in India. Poppy bowl, poppy plant. Gleam, shine brightly with pale clear light. Curious, gentle touch of care and love. So, here it is homework for you. Make sentences with groves, stream, glint, stole, gleam and dream. Make sentences with these words. Okay? Next, I'll discuss the question answers. Answer the following in short. What is the meaning of cradle song? The answer is, cradle song is a lullaby, that is a soothing song sung to send a child to sleep. Okay. Question number 2. List the places from which the mother brings a little lovely dream for her child. Answer. The places from where the mother brings a little lovely dream are from spice groups, from rice field, across the lotus stream, from the place where the wild fireflies dance through the fairy neem, and from the bright and beautiful poppy plant. Question number 3. Why do you think the mother chose these places? In the lullaby, the mother chose places which are beautiful and create a soothing effect on mind, on her child's mind. Okay. Next, question number 4. Why mothers sang such song their child at bedtime? Answer is, actually a mother always wants a child to imagine all the beautiful things in the nature before falling asleep, so that the child sleeps well and has pleasant dreams. Okay. Next, What is lullaby? Lullaby is a soothing song sung by parents, preferably mother, to send a child to sleep. Question number 6. What do you think the poem is set? The poem is set in a rural atmosphere in the lap of nature. Okay? So these are short questions. Next I will discuss on reference to the context. Question number 1. I bring for you, agleamed with dew, a little lovely dream. Question. Name the poem from where the above lines taken. Answer. The above lines are taken from the poem named Cradle Song. Next, name the poet. Name of the poet is Sarojini Naidu. Next, who is referred to as I here? Here, I is referred to the mother. Question next. What is the meaning of the above lines? In the above lines, the mother expresses her affection to her child as she sung a lullaby to send the child to sleep. Next, question 2. Sweet, shut your eyes to lovely dream. The full stanza. Who said this to whom? The mother said this to her child. Why does she use the word fairy neem and poppy bowl? Answer. As the neem tree is considered to be a sacred tree by Indians, all the parts of it used to make herbal medicine. So it is referred here as the fairy neem. And as the poppy plant is known for its bright yellow flowers and the seeds of plants used for making medicine that induce sleep, that's why the mother referred poppy bowl and she wants her child to have a lovely dream and sound sleep. So these all are the questions and answers I discussed. Now I will discuss on the exercise. Here is nothing comprehension. This is all the questions as I told you before. These all are here. And you know, in every poem there is a repetition. For example, in Cradle Song, the poet repeats the phrase "a little lovely dream." A little lovely dream after at the end of every stanza. This emphasizes that the dream is lovely and it is also sets the tone of the poem to make it sound gentle and musical. So let us read another poem which uses repetition. You read it. "'Tis a lesson you should heed. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again." So here is the repetition at the end of every stanza. Try again. Here the main theme of this poem is we should keep our tries always. We try. We must give our effort, all our effort to try again. We must succeed after every that try. So here underline the phrase or sentence being repeated here. Why do you think the poet has repeated it? To make the poem musical, to emphasize on the importance of not giving up, or to give the poem a fast rhythm. What is the right answer? Just try to answer it. What is the right answer? What is the correct options among the three? Yes, the correct option is to make the poem musical. Okay? The poem Cradle Song is a lullaby which uses repetition and melody to have a soothing effect when sung. Such lullabies are familiar features across the world in different cultures and languages, as I told you before. So that's all of our today's class, and remember, you must always memorize the first lines, first two stanza. You always memorize first two stanzas. Please memorize and write it several times. Okay, so that's all for our today's class, and till our next class, bye.